LED-TEK is a relatively young company that sells LED light sources for the Danish market. Among their products you can find flat panels. They are mainly used as top-down lights. We actually have flat panels right here in the school. But will it be possible to redesign the product and come up with something new that will attract new types of customers? Since this flat panel is a very good standalone light source, we came up with some ideas that will not reinvent the wheel, but will use its functionality in some other areas. For example, the panel can be used as an ambient light, since you can dim it and change the display colors. Also, as a sleeping light, or as a frame for pictures and drawings. And if we push forward, it can easily become a wake-up lamp with an incorporated clock. Or maybe you can even use it as a whiteboard for messages or simple drawings. But what if we combined all these ideas in one multifunctional product? Using the simple flat LED panel as a fundament, you can attach different features that would result in an entertaining product which can be used in many ways both in private or public areas, such as restaurants and cafes or your own home. Just make a small chip that can control the changing of the colors using customizable patterns. Attach a clock at the bottom that will be used for setting up the alarm, and put a panel in front that will be used to aesthetically showcase drawings or even as a whiteboard. This product can be hanged on a wall when it is used for ambient lighting or decoration. It can also be placed on a desk or table using a support when it is used as a wake-up lamp. The cost of making such a product is of course an issue. It can't be too expensive. All the materials that are needed for making our lamp are cheap and readily available on the industrial market. The technology involved is also common and thus it should be cheap to implement in the product. The question is now who will buy the product? Which type of customers would the company be selling to? The answer is that there is more than one type of customer who would buy a product like this. It can be a business-to-business alliance with different restaurants, companies that have offices, electronic shops, art or exhibition-oriented businesses. Or it can be business to consumer, where the customers are either children or adults, depending on what the various designs the lights might have. Would it be beneficial for the company to make alliances with some other companies? Yes, it would. They could, for example, make an alliance with a design studio or some well-known children brands that can provide cartoon drawings. And they would also need to find a company which makes electronic components in order to get the clock panels which are needed for the lamp. So, will it be risky? Yes, because there will always be risks connected to launching a new product. But the question is, if the risks are too big? We don't think so. The ideas we combined in this product can be individually observed on the current market. What we did is to open up a way for LED panels in a wider market by using them in a different way.